Hello guys and welcome to another trains video. Today we're going to be videoing at Dock Hill's level crossing. Right, bear with me. Okay, Friday the 24th of November 2022 at 15:05. This will be the 15:05 Northern train service from Doncaster to Hull. I think. I've just lowered Bentley. And then we'll start here and we'll head to more. If you've been enjoying this video so far, if you're kind enough, please drop a like and subscribe. On its own, by the looks of it. Looks like we're only down for this one. Here we are. Hull to Doncaster. No, still quite a way away. Sun's bad. Here we are. It's coming slowly but surely. Right, so I've got an unknown number. I don't know what it is. This is 6Z71. Let's have a look for more, because the motor should be following soon. For the Edinburgh train. Here we are. Yeah, you should be going up after this. Here we are. 331102. For Doncaster, up we go.